Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to select multiple tabs in Google Chrome. This is very useful but simple. Now let's start. First open Google Chrome, then open some tabs, tap here, tap on new tab, again open some tabs. We open some tabs. Now see how I select some tabs. To select all tabs or some tabs, tap on here. Now tap on three dot menu, then tap on select tabs. Now select the targeted tabs. We select now some tabs. Now tap here to apply any action on it. Now you can select all tabs by tapping here, or you can close tabs. You can close selected tabs by tapping here, or you can group tabs by tapping here, or you can bookmark those tabs. I hope you understand this process. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please like the video and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.